Hey guys, welcome to another cloud mix experiment. I've got my 14 by 18 and the Artist Loft little bottles here. They were on special, and so I went all out and bought a ton. And since they're very long to prepare, I decided to make all of these, but I won't be using all of these for this painting here. I'm thinking copper, ochre, and maybe blue. And by the way, like ochre and copper would go well with any of those colors there. Check out with the turquoise, check out with the red, and check out with the purple. It would totally work. But anywho, I'm gonna go for blue, and I got my cloud mix here, which is the satin enamels and the Artist Loft. I used the DecoArt pouring medium today. And that's it. Let me set myself up here. I am going for this. Now this looks amazing compared to the crappy ochre, copper, blue painting that I just put down the drain. It was horrible. It did not work out at all, you guys. And I don't think it's because of the color palette. I think it's because of the brand. The yellow, the ochre from Artist Loft, I don't think it works very well. But then again, it could be just me that failed. Now this though. I decided to use the red instead of the ochre, and I think I did good. I felt like there was a river going through two pieces of land, and then it was too large. So I wanted it to like become smaller. A bit like the St. Lawrence. Oh God, I can't believe I just thought about that. Anywho, and so that's why I blew it in there. And then I wanted this part to be more like inwards, so I blew on that with the straw. Sort of positioning. Oh my God, it looks like heaven. And I really love that cloudiness there. Like I did it on the first side here first, and then I liked how it reacted, so I went and sort of did it on the opposite side to make it fit better. Okay, anywho, stay tuned for the dried result. Let's hope it doesn't change too much. Back with the dried and varnished result, and I'm so happy. I'm gonna show it to you sideways, horizontally, but check it out vertically. You know you did good when it looks great in both directions. I still can't even decide between this one, and I'm gonna flip it over again just so you guys can help me out here. There. I kind of think I like this one best. And check out how it continued to change here. It continued spreading and somewhat perfectly. Someone said that that close-up about this painting that I posted looked icy. It looked like Iceland. I totally agree. Now you see the whole thing. It looks even more like Iceland, right? Super happy and excited. Hope you guys like this, and let me know if you want which one you prefer, which side, 1, 2, or 3. I think I'm going for 3 or 2. All right, bye guys, have a good one.